Right. So what are beliefs? Well, our beliefs are like the operation manuals for our lives. They just move us into action without us needing to think about it. They're like pre-agreed contracts that we have with ourselves, and they represent our idea of the world. And everyone has a belief system that's made up of independent beliefs that either push us forward or hold us back. But because most of us are so familiar with ourselves, we don't even realize that we have beliefs, let alone know the power they have over us. So, just to take an example, if you hear another person say, people always let you down, what they're really saying is that they have a belief that reads, people always let me down. And if you were to observe this person, you probably see a quiet person who holds back in conversation, someone who is hard to talk to. Perhaps they, unless you speak to them, they won't speak to you. You may even form the opinion that this person is like rude or heartless. But actually, what's really holding them back here is their limiting belief. And this belief is not there to fulfill their wants, needs, and desires. It's there simply to protect them. And actually, they might want to connect, but they're afraid to because of a past experience. That's where our beliefs come from. They are formed through past experiences that we make an emotional attachment with. And certainly our limiting beliefs therefore protect us. That is their job, really, limiting beliefs. And this is where our survival instincts of a human comes in. Our mind is programmed to keep us alive, not necessarily to push us towards our dreams, our hopes, and desires. Because if we've been doing things a certain way for a certain number of years, our mind is conditioned to say, well, I've kept you alive for this long doing it this way. Now you're telling me you want to go to this like dream or pursue this goal. We don't know if that's safe. We've got all these beliefs here and we're going to hold you back because we know they're safe, you know. And that's fine for some people, but if you're looking to excel or you're looking to move forward, then you need to understand how this works. And beliefs are just ideas that you hold to be true at this moment in time. Not saying that they are true, but they remain true for you as long as you hold them to be true. The reason why one person can go up in an aeroplane and jump out and parachute and another person cannot do that is simply what they believe about that experience. That's simply the difference. And if you look at the successful people that you admire, you're going to find, if you study them, that they're no different to you with regards to they're no better than you. They simply believe more about the thing that they're doing. They not may not have it all worked out in all areas of their life, but in the area in which you sit back and admire them, they fully believe in themselves. So I hope that explains what beliefs are. Now we're just going to have a quick look at how they're formed, and we will get straight into finding one of your limiting beliefs.